Manipur ki tongan-tongan mafam singda logi wang mada chatharakliba senkhai thumkhai ki thabak thoram singda police tagi lakhiba khutlai sing sizinarabra haibagi chingnaba faure haina Manipur police ki IG ke Jayanta na phongdorakle loinana state asida leiriba irang asigi khudong chaba lauraga chatharakliba senkhai thumkhai asi thingnaba police ki maikai dagi angamba thakta hotnari mapung fana thingnaba hotnabada miyamna police ta cooperation pibiyo haina so appeal tawrakle Imphal West district ki SP gi Conference hall da paumi singa unabada IGP ke Jayanta na phongdorakpada Manipur da senkhai thumkhai tawbugi thabak asi matam khara farure adubo state asida hojik thokliba irang asigi khudong chaba lauraga organized oiba mawong da senkhai thumkhai gi thabak chatharakpagi report kaya leire senkhai thumkhai tawba asida chenaba miyoi kaya amaso police na fagatpasu leire hairiba senkhai thumkhai tawbugi paw asi hek phangbaga miyamna su police ta matam chana paw pibiyo haina miyamda appeal tawrakli
Mayam khabirangoni extortion paisa khaiba khotpagi se matam kharadi pharmai pura lepe habidina te dum tawi adubu husik khangokdana recent kenosida tokolei basidi mamangda tawhidri basidi adu yamna organize oiba mongda tawre ba husiki kenose aduna husik yengo husiki kenosina soktaba sector si yaudre oza dagi local elected kenodagi adagi loin bakso e satra community kanagi kenosing se private sector public sector loin so e extortion ge threat demand la sing se koi thengnamina si public na koi ga support pira ba ka da masi akoi gi law enforcing department agency na yamna line tawbungam gane na khalle
Senkhai thumkhai tawbugi thabak asi thingnaba Manipur police ki ADG law and order na luchingba anti extortion cell amasu semle haire paumi singa unaba adu da sarukya khiba IG intelligence ke kabif na phongdorakpada anti extortion cell asigi makhada district khuding makta extortion gi thabak thingnaba amadi chenaba sing fagatpagi thabak su chathaba haure national highway amasung valley area da chathariba senkhai thumkhai ase maruoina underground amasung local gang kangbuna chathaba haukiba chahi amasida illegal oiba thabak chathaba miyoi chani yangkhai hena fagat pangam khre aduga senkhai thumkhai ga mari leinaba miyoi chamaga kunmathoi su fagat pangam khi hairi national highway singda su pochai puba gari singna chathok chasin tawbada hena khudong chanaba company tarataru ke security force sing deploy tawre pochai puba gari sing ngak senduna punna chatminanaba company ani su leire haina phongdorakhi loinana logi wangmada chathaba moral policing tawbagi thabak su miyamna punna thingminana bahotna minase haina appeal tawrakle.
There are few requests that we want to make appeal to public. The first one is whenever someone receive a extortion, please don't hide it. Please inform the police from your known police personnel or through control room. Here in Manipur is a very small society, be it hill or valley. Everyone knows everyone here. So inform through your confidential police personnel. We will keep the matter confidential. We will try our best and we will put our best effort to catch the extortionist. If public, we are telling public, if you give to one group, then all other groups come to know and they will also come to you.